Out in downtown LA, they got a Foot Locker, they got a Chic. Also have Jumpman LA and the newest Shoe Palace. Let's go. And this is Jumpman LA, one of the dopest spots if you're a Jordan fan. They got all kinds of Jordan signatures here, as well as Jordan basketball. They even got sneakers for women as well as the kiddos right here. Also got some apparel that does go on sale sometimes. Pretty dope stuff. Let's start with the retros. They got all kinds of Jordan lows. They got all kinds. Do I see any on sale? Pretty much all the ones we've seen at the different retail shops. They got the one High UNC reimagined right here. These are going for retail, $185. Got a bunch of mids right here. And got the Black Toe reimagined right here going for retail, $180. Got a couple of 2-3s. I don't think I've seen this colorway. Oh, it looks like the same colorway. I don't think I've seen that colorway. And they got the 3s. And then look at this. Look at this. They do have a pair of these bad boys right here. Size 13 on display. So they probably have limited sizes. And do got a couple of the... Shoot, what color did they call these? I forgot already. Got the latest 5 right here. These are going for, what, $215. As well as the fire red black tongue grapes. And then a couple of 13s right here. Keep calling those the midnight navies with the French blues right there. They do have a bunch of the non-signatures right here. Ooh, first time I've ever seen these Trunners. These are the Jordan Trunners that they just released, $115. And then got some of these non-signatures right here. Women's exclusive right here. I don't even remember the name of these. But it is kind of like is it canvas? It looks like a canvas, $200 for these. Shiny ones right here going for $170. I have a feeling these camo, nope, they're not on sale, $2. Got the denims right there. Got the performance shoes over here. And the latest colorway of the Jordan 40s right here. This one's patent leather, $205 for these bad boys. Here's the more plain one right here. White and black, a little bit of gray on it. Kind of interesting because it does have leather in the toe guard right here, as well as the side panel. Got that. Ooh, that looks kind of interesting right there. Okay. Do got these going for $205. Third colorway right here. I haven't seen these in too many spots, but they do have Jumpman, 3 different colorways. Got the Luka .77s right here. Got the Tatums, 39s on sale for $50 right here. I don't think I've seen this colorway. The Luka 4s right here. $135 for these. Then do got the Tatum 4s. This is the first time I've ever seen the Tatum 4s in person. These are kind of dope. Kind of reminds me of the Shaqnosis from way back when. But these look dope. Does have suede. Then, I don't know, what is that, nylon? Nylon in the middle? Okay, these ain't bad. $130 for these, so still a great budget option. So got the shoes on this side, and then they have the rest of Jumpman LA. They have a court upstairs on the 3rd floor, and then they have like workout rooms and stuff like that on the 2nd. And it's been closed for a while though. It's been closed. What is up with these right here? They got basketball diamond shorts, Jordan basketball shorts, and then it's made out of leather. I don't know if it's full leather or what, but $130 for these. I haven't seen these anywhere. That is pretty dope. And got these classic Air Jordan hoodies right here, so freaking soft. These bad boys go for $75. Pretty dope stuff, man. Got Chic right here. One of their this is their showcase location. So they're set up here, way dope. They also get a bunch of releases and stuff. They got a pretty dope Jordan display right here, as well as a half-court basketball court. Did I say half-court basketball court? What the hell? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Jordan section right here. Very similar to what they had at Jumpman LA. But they do got these suede bad boys right here. I am a big fan of these, dude. Could wear this with my dress pants and stuff like that. They would look pretty nice. These go for $130. And the cave stones, that's what those are called. People are gonna be like, hey, that's what those are called, you idiot. Do got these as well. Swear some spots got restocks on these Legend Blues right here. These bad boys going for $230. I did skip these. I got the Pantone, so I was like, do I need these? Nah. I was like, they got the white cement. No, not really. Not really. What design? The Jordan 4 RMs. Why does this look different? I think because all of this right here, that looks a little different. The coloring's a little different, but yeah, I do got the Jordan 4 RM white cements right here. They look pretty decent. 155. Way too much though. This spot doesn't have all the sale signs, so you kind of have to look at each product. They do have some new colorways of the Vomeros right here. I've never seen these bad boys. $170 for these. Never seen that one or this one either. Oh yeah, this one's on sale. $100. Vomero Rome's going for $130. And you got the black right there. Those are going for retail. And then you get these $130. And I think you still get 20% off all the sale shoes. These dunks right here, not bad. I like this wheat stuff right here. $120 for these bad boys. Material looks nice. I'm not a fan of the round laces, but not bad. Really like these bad boys as well. I could wear these with my dress pants and stuff. I do have to dress somewhat, a little bit for work. And then they're making the regular pandas look a little bit more interesting. I don't know about this colorway though. Don't know about the colorway. But yeah, they got a bunch of interesting looking ones right here. Is this the Court Purples? They made it into like a canvas one. Kind of interesting. $120 for these. All kinds of new dunks coming out. Latest colorway of the Diamond Turfs. Got a couple different colors. Couple new colors, that is. $155. And then this older one right here, it is on sale. $130 for these bad boys. I believe you get 20% off. And then I've never seen these books right here. Got a bunch of scorpions. I was like, why did they have lobsters? Now they're scorpions. This is a Halloween colorway right here. This is pretty dope, dude. This is pretty dope. Patent leather. And I'll bet you the bottom does, or the outsole, it does light up, I bet. But yeah, that's pretty freaking dope. $155 for these. Grade school section do have a new colorway of the Ja 3s right here. I've never seen this colorway. Yeah, kind of feeling these, man. I like these Ja 3s. $112. So pretty decent shoe for the kiddos, especially if you can find them on sale. Still got Valentine's Day stuff from last year. $60. And I finally did talk to the workers. Yeah, an extra 25% off. So these grade school ones right here, these are going for $45. $45. Hell yeah. These pink ones not bad either. These are going for $90, 20 off, 25 off. $65 for this. I thought this was a new colorway. I'd never even seen this one. There's a snail on it. $65 for these. $90 for these. I think they're gray and white, right? Adidas section right here. They got some great prices, including these Evo SLs under $100. If you are a runner, that's what's up. Ultra Boost 5X, $120 for these. I've never even seen that colorway. $75 for most of these. This is $70. $80 for those two colorways. $65 for that one. And $100 for the Hardens right there. Kobe ones. $50. An extra 25 off. All right, I would go to this Foot Locker right here, but I'm kind of strapped for time, so I'm gonna keep going. Back when they were having the protests, I think this is the Apple store that got broken into. Jumpman LA got broken into as well a couple times. And then we have one of the latest and greatest Shoe Palaces. I think they call it the Shoe Palace 93. That's when Shoe Palace first opened. If y'all been in LA for a while, this is the former Nice Kicks location. Release-wise, this is the most mild I've ever seen the spot, but they do have a few interesting things still, including multiple colorways of the Air Force One Kobe's right here. This is the all-white one. You can see the Mamba, I want to say texture, but it's not even the texture because it's like painted on or something, but see that bad boy right there. $120 for these. And they also got it in purple right here, Laker purple. And we'll see how the Lakers look later today. Yesterday for you guys. Hopefully they look freaking good. We'll see. The neon colorway of the books right here. Haven't seen these at any of the stores I've been to today. $145 for these. And first time looking at these Shy ones right here. These are Converse. Shy ones. These have been selling out because they've been doing a good job making them limited, because that's what creates hype, right? Like 130 for these bad boys. I really like this colorway, 130. They came out with a bunch of monochrome colorways, and then they'll probably come out with some mixed colorways later. But yeah, not bad for 130. Good for you, Converse. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, the monochrome single color theme that they've been going with. 130 for these bad boys. Upper's like a suede and a neoprene type of material. Pretty interesting. Nike's really been pushing these total 90s. They look like some indoor soccer shoes. 115 for these. I've been seeing these in a lot of different colorways. They got their New Balance section right there. They got Van Solomon and On Running. Got some Hokas up top. And all this Nike right here. The Jordan section up top or something. I'm still looking for one of these. I probably should have grabbed these at Northridge Chic when they had it for 105 or something. I've heard that they've been found at the clearance store here and there. 1 or 220 for these bad boys. They got multiple colors. They got 4 different colorways, including that pink one that everybody has seen. This is the upstairs location where they got Adidas all along there, and then they got Jordan over there on this side. Oh, I forgot about this. Forgot about this Jordan display right here. Kind of reminds me of the one in Little Tokyo. And they do got a few retros. Haven't seen these Jordan 3s. These are the Lucha Libre inspired Jordan 3s right here. Pretty dope, pretty dope. 230 for these bad boys. Definitely look different than most other Jordan 3s. Like a interesting material. Is that nylon? Patent leather? I don't know, I can't even tell. But yeah, I do got these bad boys. The only spot out here with those. They got more retros and more retros. One of the best selections just in downtown LA in general. Got a spherical LED screen, I think it is. That's pretty freaking crazy. They have a mini sphere here. They have a mini sphere, dude. They should have like a smiley face and like looking at you all weird and stuff, like in Vegas. They also have that huge LED display right here for Adidas. Has Adidas really been coming out with stuff lately though? I don't know, but they got 3 different of the Evo SLs. Got the Harden Volume 9s, right? These are the 9s. Then they do have the books and stuff, just like Little Tokyo, but I think that's it, dude. I think that's it. The last pair I'll show you guys are these Bruce Lee bad boys right here. Long hair suede, super long hair. They got the flying sidekick right there. But yeah, 110 for these bad boys right here. I like that. I like that suede. I don't know about that color though. All right, pretty dope location. Downtown LA, quite a few sneaker shops. I think I'm gonna have to stop by another spot, a couple more spots, because the video ain't long enough. Right next to the Northridge Mall. These Ross visits have definitely been getting more and more interesting. This one has 2 different racks of clothing. Finding a lot of budget team apparel, like this right here. Going for 25. And then like a bunch of generic Nike stuff, you know, just hoodies and stuff like that, $25. Yeah, more and more team apparel. This is $10. The hell happened to the Vikings yesterday, man? It was looking decent, and then yeah, just super inconsistent, man. Nike pullover right here, dry fit. It's NBA one, 70 down to 25. That is a large. More Ultra Game branded stuff right here. Boston Celtics. Majestic brand XL right here. Nationals. Oh, that's not it. Nationals hoodie right here. $12, dude. $12. Another one down here, and then also another set of, oh, Russell Wilson jersey. Yeah, that's $30. Then more and more team apparel. All right, we're moving on to the sneaker section, where I see some generic New Balances 28 bucks. Jordan 2-3, $70 smaller size. I think this is a size 8. Do got some Air Max DNs. These are going for $80. And of course, plenty of the Bondi 8s. These are still $100. And then plenty of these as well, $50 for the MB3s. Air Max Plus Drift right here in a size 10.5, $85. And then this colorway has been marked down for the Bondi 8s. Not the best colorway, but yeah, $70 for those. All these other ones seem to have come at a different time, so price is not reduced yet. Size 11. Got some Adidas going for 40. I showed you guys plenty of these. And look at this. Look at this. Look at the price on these GT cut 3s. 50, $9.99. This is 11.5, so really good size. $60 for $180 basketball shoe. That is what's up. Oh damn, that's what's up. Got a size 12 right there as well. Wow. Got a tiny little one of these. Is this what, Georgia Bulldogs? Why is it yellow though? Aren't they red? I don't know. $40 for those. Got the Lunar Roams right here, 70. Another one of these bad boys right here was size 13, size 14. And then plenty of the Bondi as well as the Mellows. Oh, and then we do got one of these, $40 for these. These are 9.5 though. All right, moving on to the women's section over here. And then more of these Jordan 4RM. Saw these last week. So yeah, $80. And then got some generics right here. 47. Got Blazers right here. These are men's size 10, $70. Are they saying Blazers are like feminine, women looking shoes? Is that what they're saying? I don't know. Got some Squishmallow Crocs right here. These are legit, $30. I like them, but I'm saying they are legit Crocs. $30 for these. These are size 12 though. Definitely not a women's shoe right here. These grade school. No, these are men's. 9.5 LeBrons. Go for 70. And it's interesting to see where these are coming from. That's a Foot Locker tag right there. So Foot Locker does liquidate a bunch of their shoes to Ross. We've seen like the Foot Locker sales tags as well. $70. Why wouldn't they just send that to the Foot Locker outlet and then sell it for way cheap there? I don't know. Don't make sense. Got some PF Flyers if you want to be fast, like Benny the Jet. $20 for those. I think it was Benny the Jet Rodriguez, right? I think that's what it was. Nothing makes you feel older than throwing out 40-year-old movie references from the Sandlot. $40 for these chucks right here. Got some Pegasus right here, some smaller size Pegasus, size 6 women, $60. Then some Gazelles right here, some suede Gazelles, $45. I was like, are these the same ones? Yeah, these are the same suede ones. I think that's about it on this one. I thought this one would be a little bit nicer. I thought they'd have more stuff, but not today. All right, got plenty more coming.